Welcome! Today, we're showing you how to access and use Tubi on your Rogers Xfinity TV. Let's go! Tubi is a free video on-demand service that gives Rogers Xfinity TV customers access to thousands of free titles. There are a few ways you can access Tubi. You can use the all-in-one voice search to discover all of your content for a specific show. Just press and hold the mic button on your voice remote. Then say the name of the show you're looking for. So, for example, say, The Island. Only want to see Tubi shows and movies? Press and hold the mic button on your voice remote and say, Tubi. You can browse specific titles in kids, movies, TV shows, categories, or channels. For a more personalized experience, you can sign up for free to customize your playlist and recommendations. You can also access the Tubi Kids portal by selecting Kids from the main menu. Feel free to manage parental controls and tailor content by age quickly and easily in Settings. That's it. Start streaming thousands of titles from nearly every major Hollywood studio, completely free with Tubi on your Rogers Xfinity TV.